माय येलो टेबल, कितना अटपटा सा नाम है, वो भी एक फूड शो का, साथ ही साथ इतना ब्राइट येलो कलर एक टेबल का। लेकिन इस टेबल के साथ और इस रंग के साथ कहीं ना कहीं मेरी बचपन की यादें जुड़ी हैं। दिल्ली में जिस घर में मैं पला बड़ा, वहां पर एक बड़ी सी टेबल थी और पूरी की पूरी जॉइंट फैमिली वहीं पर खाना खाती थी। उस टेबल का रंग भी पीला था। तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना जो मस्ती, जो यादें, जो शेयरिंग, बॉन्डिंग, एक साथ खाना है, एक साथ बातचीत करना, वहां पर मैंने किया था, क्यों ना आपके साथ वही शेयर करूं। तो बस माय येलो टेबल नाम पड़ गया। और आज की जो हमारी गेस्ट है, जो इस टेबल पर हमें ज्वाइन करने वाली है, वो बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट है। उन्होंने हमें टीवी के जरिए बहुत ज्यादा एंटरटेन किया है अपने शोज के साथ, और आज हमें एंटरटेन करने, हमारे साथ कुक करने यहां पर आई हैं। Hi Pushti, so
Hi,
nice to
Karan.
see you.
Nice to see you too.
Thank you so much for coming down.
Thank you for having me.
Always a pleasure. Always a pleasure. We can always use some good-looking faces in this kitchen.
Of course.
So, what's up?
Well, nothing much. I'm just kind of looking at these bottles and this mortar, and I'm loving the look of it. I want to grind something. Can I grind something?
There is a lot of things that need to be done. I mean, I'm happy that you're so excited to help me out with all of this cooking.
Especially the grinding.
I can always take a break, relax. I'm always ready to give over.
Yeah, I'm pretty decent at following instructions. So maybe अगर आप मुझे बताओ कि क्या करना है तो मैं कर सकती हूँ.
But do you cook?
Not so much.
Why is that?
Because my mom cooks so well that I don't need to cook.
Comfort living की आदत.
Absolutely.
You know what? It's a strange coincidence that we're talking about family, because today's menu, if you look, थोड़ा सा अटपटा सा है. मसाला बंटा, मटन 143, तंदूरी लच्छा पराठा और लौकी का हलवा. One thing that I was exposed to as a young kid was that the men in my family would love to cook, and they were all Sunday cooks.
How cool is that?
One of the good things that used to happen there is that my chacha, his name is Vipin Kapoor, so he used to prepare a dish which is mutton and always in butter. So it was his recipe that was liked by everyone in the family. Incidentally, the house number is 143. So
very smart.
that's that.
I can imagine.
You know what my chacha does? He takes this kadai. I especially got this from my 143 house. It's a very old kadai without handle. He would put lachha paratha in here, put the damn thing onto the fire like this, and cook lachha paratha. Now I haven't done this before. This is my first attempt on this, so it's a double challenge. वैसे ये खानदानी कढ़ाई मैं पीछे रख दूँ. So what we'll do is we'll begin with the mutton first. Let's chop some onions first. Alright, so this is done. हमारे पास ये मटन है. Quickly, what we'll do is we'll marinate it. So I'm adding some salt. Okay जी. अब इसमें हम डालेंगे थोड़ी सी हल्दी. तीखा. अब तो खाते नहीं. मैं खाता हूँ. धनिया पाउडर. इसमें जाएगा भुना हुआ जीरा. So चाचा सीक्रेट is भुना हुआ जीरा खूब सारा. सबसे ज्यादा मात्रा भुने जीरे की.
Okay.
So I'll just give you the mortar and pestle.
Absolutely.
जितना एग्रेशन है आप निकाल सकते हैं इसमें.
Aggression and little प्यार also I'm putting in. Little aggression is there.
उसको aggression निकालना है.
I guess it's the one thing that my mom allowed me to do.
Really? Almost dark brown भून लेना है उसे, फिर उसको कूटना है, और उसका फ्लेवर सबसे ज़्यादा prominent है इस डिश में. Beautifully done.
I'm hoping my mom sees this and says, okay, fine, you can come to the kitchen now. You know?
I'm sure. हमारे पास थोड़ी सी green chili है. We'll just slit.
I've seen people chop it tiny and then slit it. What is the difference?
जब आप एक ग्रीन चिली को स्लिट करके साबुत डालते हैं, you always have an option of pulling that chili out halfway through, जब तक कि उसका पूरा spiciness disperse ना हो. So you can control the spice level.
Right.
Chop करके डाल दिया, there is no way you can pull it out.
Pull it out, yeah.
So that was the tip of the day. अब इसके अंदर हम डालेंगे दही. Equal quantity of ginger and garlic. और इस सब को हम अच्छे से मैरिनेट करेंगे. अच्छा याद आया, he used to add garam masala as well. So there is garam masala there.
This one, right?
Yeah. Yeah, बिल्कुल वैसा ही है रंग रूप में. Alright, इसको रखते हैं एक किनारे. अब हम लोग प्याज को भूनेंगे and that takes a bit of a time. Now, the indulgent part of the recipe is that this recipe is made entirely in butter. with very little oil so that the butter doesn't burn off. You can always have an option to cook in oil, but I would do the way it was done at my house. And it is still being done, by the way.
It just looks so beautiful when it melts, no?
I'm adding some oil. Alright, butter has melted. We'll add the onions. So, tell me something about your television career. How was it the first time that you were on television?
The first time I went on television, I was extremely nervous because I've done stage.
How old were you then?
I was about 3 or 4 years old.
You were a child artist?
Yes.
Oh, awesome.
Then I got on to doing stage professionally. And then after that, actually, just the fact that I was on in front of a camera, it was different. So it made me nervous.
It did?
Yeah, because on stage you have no retake and you do a lot of rehearsal.
Yeah.
You know, on camera, yes, they do rehearsal, but
Yeah.
not as pat as, you know, when you're on stage.
Yes, yes.
So that makes a difference.
Yeah. You know, once an artist, always an artist.
I think so, yeah.
Alright, you should come over here right now. Just watch. Because अब ये brown हो रहे हैं, तो मैंने आंच बिल्कुल हल्की कर दी है,
Okay.
ताकि ये evenly cook हो. And this is the time we will have to constantly stir it. So you be there, keep stirring.
Yep.
I'll get the mutton now. Now's the time I'll add.
I've never done this before.
Yeah.
Like, I've never done mutton before,
Okay.
being a vegetarian. Yeah.
But the way you're holding that spatula, you know, you haven't done many rounds of the kitchen, have you?
Okay, fine. Teach me.
Okay. Hold this close
Okay.
and work around the contours of the utensil.
Oh, okay.
So let the meat cook a little and take a while. We'll lower the heat and we'll just bruno it a little, a lot actually. Now let's move on to the next, which is a tandoori lachha parantha. Oops. शगुन होता है। अब आप आए हो तो सारे गुनवा देते। मैं तो होता तो थोड़ा ही गुनता।
ठीक है, no problem.
ठीक है, we'll add some salt. You can add a bit of oil, butter, ghee, whatever. Actually, add a little bit of ghee, no? दीजिए. Just a spoon, just खुशबू के लिए. बाकी बाद में तो बटर जाना ही है. और इसके अंदर हम डालेंगे पानी. बताइए.
बस.
थोड़ा सा पानी डाल रहा हूँ मैं मटन में, so that वो मसाला जले ना और थोड़ी और भुनाई हो इसकी. And because of that bhuna hua jeera, the color of this mutton will definitely go to a very dark shade, which is fine. That's how it was, and that is how it will be. I'll remove this.
Yeah.
You have a way with the dough, huh? Where did you learn that?
It's instant. Really?
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just cover the mutton a little, put it on low heat, and just let it cook for a while. Okay, this looks good. What we'll do quickly is, इसके हम पेड़े बनाते हैं. Alright, so बेलन नारी का सबसे बड़ा अस्त्र. So हम लोग अब क्या करेंगे? इसको थोड़ा गोलाकार में बेलने के बाद we'll take some ghee or butter, whatever you have. उसके बाद हमारे पास ये सूखा आटा है. इसके अंदर हम इसे डिप करेंगे.
Okay.
Like this. और उसके बाद इस तरीके से फैन बनाएंगे. उसके बाद इस फैन को इस तरीके से लाइटली हम लोग फोल्ड करेंगे. उसका जो लास्ट एंड है, we'll just take it a little up and just fold it and just take it underneath it, just like a turban.
Okay.
इस तरीके से. अगर आपको ये मुश्किल लग रहा है करना, just in case, there's another way to do it. ओब्लॉन्ग या लंबा बस पराठा या रोटी आप बेल लीजिए, like this. You can apply butter, melted. Dip it in सूखा आटा completely, not over. झाड़ो थोड़ा. So what we do is we just simply fold it like this and then just wrap it like this. If this is easier, you can do this.
It's almost like making flowers.
Yeah, small little tiny one.
Yeah.
You want to try one?
Yep.
Okay. Go ahead. So layer of fat.
Oh, sorry, yeah. Okay, you have to help me with this. So, like this, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
You can do that. This. उसकी जो पूंछ बचे, just pull it gently without breaking it. पूंछ. a little on top and then
Done.
nice, good attempt, nice.
Thank you.
सबसे मुश्किल पार्ट पराठों को पकाना। ये गैस चला देते और ये अपनी कढ़ाई यहाँ रख देते हैं। ओके, आई थिंक दिस इज रेडी। सो सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, ये पराठा है, इसको बेलेंगे हल्के हाथ से। अब थोड़ा सा पानी लेंगे हम। ओके, ये बेला, इसके ऊपर घी का पानी का हाथ अच्छे तरीके से लगा लिया ताकि ये चिपक जाए और पानी वाली साइड गरम कढ़ाई पे towards this side.
But then won't it fall after it gets cooked?
No.
Okay.
You have to scrape it out. पानी है, तेल होता तो निकल आता।
Okay.
Alright, so ये जो puff up हो गई है थोड़ी सी रोटी, it tells us that the base has been cooked. All I have to do is place it like this. Put it on medium heat, and after about a minute or two, just crank up the heat, get the color, get the paratha out. That's it.
So everything's very important, right? The color, the smell, the texture,
Has to be.
all of it.
All of it.
Yeah.
All right, I think it's done. Immediately put some nice butter. दूसरे वाले का भी इंतजाम करते हैं। It's done.
That looks delicious.
That's about it. I don't think हम इससे ज़्यादा खा सकते। Beautiful it looks. इसको रख देते हैं इस कोने के अंदर और ये जाएगा सीधा on the yellow table. पराठे तैयार हैं। मटन को थोड़ी सी देर और लगेगी। So you go take a small break, refresh yourself, and come right back to my yellow table.